Welcome to our video where we compare two Wi-Fi mesh systems, Google Wi-Fi and TP-Link Deco AX3000. If you're considering upgrading your home network, you won't want to miss this comparison. Don't forget to like this video, comment on your experiences with these products, and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews. Google Wi-Fi's sleek design means it blends in with any room decor, while TP-Link Deco AX3000's slightly taller frame offers more gigabit Ethernet ports, making it a better choice if you need to plug in multiple devices. Both products offer mesh technology, but Google Wi-Fi has an average range of 1,500 to 4,500 square feet, while TP-Link Deco AX3000 can cover up to 2,500 square feet per unit. So if you have a smaller home, the Deco may suffice, but if you need more coverage, Google Wi-Fi would be the better option. TP-Link Deco AX3000 has a faster Wi-Fi 6 technology, meaning faster speeds, but Google Wi-Fi's tri-band network is designed to handle more devices without losing speed. So depending on your needs, both options are good for performance. Both Google Wi-Fi and TP-Link Deco AX3000 have user-friendly apps that make network setup and management easy. Google Wi-Fi's app is a bit more intuitive, whereas TP-Link Deco AX3000's app offers more advanced features if you need them, such as AI-driven mesh and premium security services. Google Wi-Fi costs around $154, while TP-Link Deco AX3000 is priced at around $89. This makes TP-Link Deco AX3000 a more budget-friendly option for those who don't need the larger coverage that Google Wi-Fi offers. And that concludes our comparison of Google Wi-Fi and TP-Link Deco AX3000. Both products have their pros and cons, so it's up to you to decide which one best fits your needs. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews.